How to add a line in Webflow. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a line in Webflow. It's super easy and totally customizable. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com, click on login and use Google Sign In if your account is linked for a quick login process. Once you're in your dashboard, select the project where you want to add the line. This opens your website canvas. Now, let's add the element. Click on the Add Plus button in the left sidebar and drag a div block onto your page. Think of this as a flexible container that you can turn into a horizontal or vertical line. To style it like a line, select the div block and head to the Style panel on the right. Set the height to something small like 2px and the width to 100% or a fixed value, depending on how long you want your line. Now change the background color to match your design and optionally add rounded corners if you want softer edges. And that's it, you've just created a clean line in Webflow. You can now move it around, duplicate it, or customize it further to match your layout. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring Webflow and experimenting with styles to bring your creative ideas to life.